Put on means to wear clothes. When you put on clothes, you place them on your body to wear them. This phrasal verb is very common in everyday English conversations. Put on means to place clothes, shoes, or accessories on your body to wear them. For example, someone might say, "Put on your jacket. It is cold." This is a common way to tell someone to wear something for protection. Listen to these examples. She puts on her coat before going out. Put on your shoes, we are leaving now. You can also say get dressed, dress in, or slip on. These all have the same meaning as put on. Here are more common situations. He puts on his glasses to read. Put on sunscreen before going out. The grammar pattern is simple. Subject plus put on plus clothing object. You can also say put your jacket on. Put on has similar phrasal verbs like slip on and get dressed. You can also say dress in for the same meaning. Alternative expressions include put clothes on, don for formal situations, and throw on when you dress quickly. In real conversations, you hear this dialogue. What are you doing? I am putting on my tie for work. Common phrases include put on your coat and time to put on shoes. These happen every day in English. Avoid these mistakes. Never say wear on your jacket or put your jacket on you. Always say put on your jacket or put your jacket on. Both ways are correct English. Remember, put on plus clothing or accessories means wear them. Practice daily in conversations and with different types of clothes. You now know how to use put on correctly. You mastered it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.